Let's watch the video.
Yes, great. What is it about?
It's about clothes at the Carnival in Italy.
OK, let's watch.
My name's Lara. I'm at the Carnival in Venice, in Italy. Look, that dress is beautiful. It's got flowers. They're green and orange. These women have got flowers on their heads. Their flowers are very colourful. They've got white masks too. She hasn't got a mask, but her face is blue. She's got a blue hat and a blue skirt with stars. That man is in a boat. He's got a black hat. His jacket is red and his shirt is white. Wow, look at these purple feathers. They're fantastic. And look at these feathers. They're colourful. They're green, pink, orange, blue, yellow, black and red. There are lots of people. Carnival is fun.
Hey, your mask is nice.
Thanks. Your feathers are cool too.
Thank you.